A compass is the most valuable instrument in navigation, as it directs the course of the ship. It consists of parallel magnetic needles, or bundles of needles, permanently attached to a card, marked to indicate direction and degrees of a circle. It is known as the mariner's compass. There is also a gyrocompass. These marine compasses are usually liquid-filled. The dumping effect of the liquid, caused by the disturbance of the motion of the vessel in rough seas. Above the magnetic needle mechanism, the compass card is mounted, and the direction of the vessel's head, for steering on a given bearing, points the lubber line. A gyrocompass is a form of gyroscope, used widely on ships, employing an electrically powered, fast-spinning gyroscope wheel, and frictional forces among other factors, utilizing the basic physical laws, influences of gravity, and the Earth's rotation, to find the true north. On the repeater compass, the azimuth circle is mounted by means of a prism and reflection mirror, making it possible to observe the sun. Sunlight is projected in the form of a line onto the compass card through a slit. Binacles have been in utilization since the 1700s. Several developments to the technology of binacles have been carried out to suit the developments in the vessel's building technology over the years. This instrument consists of a round stand upon which a plinth is mounted. Separate divisions constructed store the compass and other navigational equipment on the plinth of the binacle. The two soft iron spears, fitted in brackets on either side of the binacle, are called quadrantal correctors. To protect the compass bowl from the weather and harsh conditions, a non-ferrous helmet is fitted in place on top of the binacle. Compass card is a circular card attached to the needles of a mariner's compass, on which are marked the 360 degrees of the circle and 32 equidistant points. Compasses require very little care. To remove salt, spray deposits and dirt, rinse the entire compass with clean fresh water, and wipe carefully with a damp cloth. Cover the binacle for protection from overexposure to the outside environment, such as sunlight, rain, wind, and dust. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.